Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on sketch number 24, and it is by Dolly Boyd, and this is in Chrissy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, round number 9, and the prompt is Distressed Edges. Now this sketch leaves a lot of room for interpretation. It's very there's not a lot going on. You see a lot of, it looks like a watercolor effect. Some embellishing down here with some leaves, paperclip, arrow, title here, but there's not a lot to give you ideas of what to do. So this is what I did. I went ahead and distressed the edges. And I will interlink some photos of how I did this here in the video, because I did it at a crop and I wasn't able to videotape the actual process. So I distressed the edges with my scissors. I use the channel on my paper cutter to create a score line with my bone folder. Then I use my scissors and distress that score line, and then I distress the edges. And I also distress all of the photo mats, and I love the look. This is paper from the Cake Day collection from Close to My Heart, and I didn't distress this part, or I did do this part here. This is actually a zip strip that is attached to the paper that it comes on, and I love how it created that border. And this is another zip strip up here. So it really created a nice border for my photos. And these are little thin cuts from a slimline thin cut. And I just added them for a directional interest item, put some stickles on it. The bee is actually colored by this little one here, and I wanted to add it on because she did it. And I added liquid glass on the top to give it that shine, as you can see. And she also did this angel face heart, so I put liquid glass on there as well. This was the little tag that was in my stash, and it fit perfectly for the date with a black enamel dot. This title was printed on my Cricut, and then just did some banner cuts at the end. So it was a really pretty layout. I love how it came out. The busy background was really calmed down by not adding a lot of embellishing, adding a very bright color for photo mats. Really brings your eye to those photos. So I hope you enjoyed that, and make sure you check out everybody else that is working on this sketch today. The video links are in the description below. And thank you to Christy for doing this series, and thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Close-ups at the end. Take care.